Hey guys, it's me, Michelle Lynette, the curly vegan model, and today it's Friday. And I'm so super excited that today is Friday because you know what? I'm bringing you the first episode of Foodie. I'm making a carrot cake smoothie. I love carrot cake. It's absolutely one of my favorite desserts. There's just something about the mix of the carrots and the walnuts. My aunt loves putting pineapples in hers, and then of course the cream cheese frosting. It is the absolute best part of carrot cake. And today I'm going to make a smoothie form of it, and it's definitely going to be healthier than, a slice of cake. And I mean, who doesn't love having cake for breakfast? So a change of scenery, I am here in the kitchen ready to make my carrot cake smoothie. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients that I'm about to use, and let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and make the smoothie. You'll need 1 cup of shredded carrots. Go ahead and dump that in. Frozen bananas. If you don't have frozen bananas, you can definitely just use regular bananas and just add ice, but it's just a great, easy way to make sure your smoothie is nice and cold. And I love the way frozen bananas make smoothies that kind of like ice cream texture, which is really, really nice. We are gonna do 2 cups of coconut milk. Okay, we got our chopped walnuts, your shredded coconut flakes. Smells so good. I love the smell of coconut. It has to be real coconut too. I hate the artificial junk. Protein powder, my favorite. It's definitely a must-have ingredient if you are making a carrot cake, so it's definitely going in my smoothie. Of course, nutmeg. If you've ever made a carrot cake before, nutmeg, it's definitely a requirement in your carrot cake, so it's definitely going in my smoothie too. We're gonna do a pinch. That's about it. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend everything up. I almost forgot one more thing. Pitted date. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in there and blend it up some more. Thumbs up. This tastes great. Definitely tastes like a carrot cake, but so much healthier for you. Guys, that's about it. I am done making my smoothie and it tastes absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you all to try it out. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be bringing you new videos every single Friday for Foodie Fridays. If you have any suggestions of what you would like to see every Friday, make sure to follow me on Instagram and send me a DM. I definitely do respond to all direct messages, so send me a message and I'd be happy to chit chat with you. So until next time, you guys have a great weekend.